Okay, we have the chicken breast, angel hair pasta. For seasoning, I have salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, black pepper, and that's the bowl I'm going to mix up the chicken and the seasoning. I also have the zesty Italian dressing. You don't have to use zesty Italian dressing. You use any type of Italian dressing you like. On the stove, I have a pot of boiling water ready for the angel hair pasta, which only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cook. Okay, I have cut up the chicken breast, and I have the chicken breast in the same bowl as the seasoning, and I put about a tablespoon of each of the seasoning inside the bowl. I like to mix up the seasoning with the chicken with my hand because massaging it just brings in the flavor into the chicken, and I like doing that. It only takes a few seconds, and afterwards, don't forget to wash your hands. Now we're going to go back to the boiling water, and we're going to put in the angel pasta. The angel pasta is a very delicate pasta. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes. Please do not leave the room while you have the pasta on because it can get gumpy if it's overcooked. Okay, now we're going to put another pan on the bowl, medium heat. You can put your hand over the pan to make sure that it's of medium heat. There's a chicken ready to be cooked. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is very healthy, and it makes the chicken taste very delicious and not oily. So now we're going to look in the pot and look at the angel pasta. It's not overcooked. It's almost done. It's not gumpy. And soon it'll be ready to drain. That's how you want your angel pasta to look. It looks really, really nice. Now we're going to put in the chicken breast into the pan with the olive oil. And this is not going to take long to cook. Chicken breast is what it is, chicken breast, no bones. So you don't have to worry about bones, you don't have to worry about skin. It takes very, very quick time to cook. Just take your fork and just stir it around, and you can see already it's getting done. Already you can see it's getting cooked really, really fast. And this doesn't take long. This is not a very long meal to cook. It's about 10 minutes. And you can cook it coming home, right after you come home, right after you run some errands. It's the perfect meal for when you're tired and you want to spend 30 minutes on the stove. Now the chicken is almost done, and you can put in the Italian dressing. And still, the heat is on. Do not turn the heat off yet because the chicken is still cooking, because you're going to put in the Italian dressing when the chicken is almost finished cooking, and you're going to stir it. Now the angel pasta has been drained, and now you're going to put it in the pot. And you're going to mix it all in so all that seasoning can get into the chicken and the angel pasta. A lot of people like to plate the angel pasta separately from the chicken and the Italian dressing, and then when they're at the dinner table, they like to mix it together. I like to put everything into the pan so all the seasoning can combine and just get into each other. Get into each other. Just absorb everything. And what I also like to do, if I don't feel like I have enough Italian dressing, because sometimes the Italian dressing gets very absorbed into this meal for some reason, I put a little bit extra and I stir as much as I can. And what I do afterwards is that I turn off the flame. And after I turn off the flame, I put the lid on the pan. So I let the steam of all those ingredients, all that seasoning get together, and it tastes delicious. Enjoy.